Want to know how to use the style match feature in Canva? This is perfect if you're doing digital products, coloring books, kids' activity sheets, and more. First, go to Elements and search for Animal Outline. Then, pick your photo. Next, go to Edit and click the Style Match section. From there, you can choose a lot of options. You can play with different styles. For this example, let's go for cartoon. And there you have it. Super easy and very useful feature. This is one of the new Canva features, by the way. Want more tips? Be sure to follow my page. See you in my next video. Bye!